Mille RM 0701 automatic winding watch with caliber CRMA2, the heart of in-house design. CRMA2 caliber is a highly skeletonized automatic movement, Oz minutes and variable geometry rotor. Power reservoir around 50 hours. Dimension is 45.66 by 31.44 by 11.85 mm. Movement characteristics are movement dimensions 29.90 by 22.00 mm. Thickness is 4.92 mm. Number of jewels is 25. Balance cube, 4 arms, 4 setting skews. Moment of inertia is 7.5 mg cm square and angle of lift is 50 degree. Frequency 28,800 vph, 4 Hz. Ballast spring AK3 shock protections in block 908.22.211.100 transparent. Dial diamond set with jasper, onyx, mother of pearl, jade, carbon TPT or full diamond set. Router's specifications: heavy external outside edge and heavy edge ring in 5 Newton red gold. Weight segment in heavy metal. Ceramic ball bearings, automatic one-way ceramic winding system with ball bearings and bidirectional winding system. Movement micro blasted anglage, micro blasted milled sections, micro blasted sinks, and electroplasma treatment for base plate and the bridges. Steel pots or certain finished surfaces, hand polished anglage, hand polished sinks and burnish sections. Wheels concave chamfering with a diamond tool, diamond polished angles, circular finished faces.